The first one is medical expenses. Those are your actual costs of all the treatment that you required, but it's also your future. So a lot of times we're able to get the doctors to outline with a prognosis and a future treatment plan and a cost projection what that's going to be for the future. So
do they pay that up front, or do they only pay it out as you need it?
Well, typically they're not going to want to pay future medical, and if you don't have an attorney, they're going to be kind of dictating to you what they're willing to pay, and they'll want to just limit it to the past. But certainly, if an attorney's involved, I mean, we're going to try to make them pay for all of that. I mean, they're going to have to pay for everything medically, past and future. They're going to have to pay for everything involving your pain that you've endured. I mean, fractures and surgeries and injections are a lot to go through, and there's a value to that. A jury would be asked, if we can't reach a compromise with the settlement, a jury is going to be the one that's going to be asked to decide how much that's worth, and they're going to hear arguments from trained attorneys on both sides trying to determine what that's worth. Pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, those are all kind of fact-specific. I mean, your facts of your life and how it impacted you, and oftentimes before and after witnesses, your friends and family that can say, I'm no longer able to jog with him every single day, or we used to go to the gym every night, or he's not the same at the work, he's not able to work the full shifts. All of those things are very fact-specific, and those witnesses, people that are in your different stages of life, that can tell a jury what that is, how that's been negatively impacted, that's what's going to make it worth money to a jury, where they're going to decide we do need to make sure that they get compensated for that. And then there's the one that you keep wanting to bring up, the loss
of first.
Only because I thought you'd like it. Okay?
Right.
The loss
Now
of
we need
consortium.
Yeah, the loss of consortium is a claim actually that the spouse in a personal injury claim would have, and it's for
Spousal relations?
Spousal relations,
That's how you
the
say
physical relationship, as
Right.
well as, you know, how your life's been impacted. Maybe they can't, you know, help around the house as much. I mean, it is more than just the physical relationship.
Right.
The individual has a loss of enjoyment of life and pain and suffering, but the spouse has one as well because they have lost some of what their spouse was able to do.